Hello, my name is Dario and I'm with 4seating.com, and today we'll be showing you how to replace your grommet. So it's going to be very simple. There's no tools necessarily at all. So we're going to go ahead and turn this counterclockwise, and I like to use my palm. If that doesn't do it, you can use a pair of pliers. Most of the time, 99% of the time, you can start it off with your palm, and once you get it loosened, it's just going to come straight up. Give that a couple turns. Once you feel it's come loose, go ahead and pull right up, set that aside. Let's grab our new grommet. We're going to go ahead and just slide it right down, line it up with the screw. You'll feel it when it locks in, and go ahead and tighten that back. Once you feel that getting a little tight, go ahead and just give it a turn with your palm, and you're all set up. You're ready to go. Let's test it out. Right, works great. Well, thank you for visiting us today. If you have any further questions, please log on to 4seating.com.